Hey guys, welcome. So is your GE dishwasher acting up? Button's not working, cycle's stuck, or it just won't start? Well, don't worry, in this quick video we're talking about how to fix this. So firstly, try to do a basic reset. Open the dishwasher door slightly, press the start/reset button once, close the door within 3 seconds. You'll hear a draining sound as the dishwasher resets. Wait for about 2 minutes, this clears the current cycle. Also, you can try another method, which is power cycling reset. So turn off the dishwasher's power from your circuit breaker, leave it off for 5 minutes, turn the power back on. This hard reset clears most control board glitches. And also make sure the control lock isn't on. If it is, hold the heated dry or lock button for 3 to 5 seconds to turn it off. And that's how to reset this dishwasher in under 2 minutes. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and of course subscribe for more quick home fixes, and I will see you soon.